On the go and can't make it into the branch? Deposit checks right into your Woodforest account using the Woodforest mobile banking app. Just log into your Woodforest mobile banking app, locate the quick link deposit icon located in the top bar. You can also navigate to where you need to go using the main menu. Tap Deposit. Before making your deposit, prepare your check by endorsing the back. If your check is not endorsed, it will be rejected. Tap Make a Deposit. Select the account that you would like your check deposited to. Enter the deposit amount of the check. Now you need to take a picture of both the front and the back of the check. Tap the box titled Check Front. If this is the first time using this feature, a pop-up window will appear prompting you to allow Woodforest mobile banking app to access your camera. Tap OK to allow. Now, place your check in a well-lit, steady location face up. Tap Next. Your phone's camera will open, allowing you to take a picture of the front of the check. Next, turn your check over with the endorsement visible. Then tap the box titled Check Back. A message will appear with instructions on how to endorse your check for deposit. Tap Next. Your phone's camera will once again open, allowing you to take a picture of the back of the check. At this point, review both the front and the back images. If the check information is not clearly visible, you may retake the pictures by tapping on the images if needed. Congratulations, you did it! A message will display confirming your deposit was received. Processing may take up to 1 to 2 business days. Please note, deposits made after 8 p.m. Central Time will not be processed until the following day. At any time, you may check on the status of your deposit using the mobile banking app.